everyone, and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little clip here. I am making sets of these for my Etsy shop, and I thought I would share how I created these. And these have a very tiny clothespin, and I'll show you the difference between the regular size clothespins and this one. So I'm doing them in gold as well as in silver, or I did a set in silver anyway. But you could do them in both colors or just the traditional in red. But I am showing you how to make this one today. I used the Poinsettia petals. This is a photopolymer stamp set from Stampin' Up. And then I used the dies to die cut all the pieces. I'll set this aside. I used the gold Stampin' embossing powder as well as the Versamark. And of course, if you have an embossing buddy or a homemade one, I would go ahead and use that. As I said, this is a regular clothespin. This is the size of a regular clothespin, and this is the size of the clothespin we're going to be using. It's about half the size. I got mine. They actually are stocking these right now at the Dollar Tree. So I got myself a packet just recently, and it's from the Crafter's Square, and it comes with a 24 pack. So that's what I'm going to use. I just wanted to share that with you. So they have these now available. These are the ones that I've already done. I'm completing a set of 4, just like that. And these are my gold ones, and I'll show you what my silver ones look like. Quite similar. I didn't change anything except for the embossing powder. So same type of style and stacking. I use one of each size. So I went ahead and already embossed and die cut these to make the video shorter. I just kind of wanted to give you an overall view of what you can create. So this is one of the large. You'll need one of each, medium and small. And then I'm also using the Pearl Basic Jewels for the center. I'm using 3 of these per poinsettia. So let's go ahead and start adhering our poinsettia. And I am using my multi-liquid adhesive, my Tombow, as I always do. And I have my silicone craft sheet here, just in case I have some bleeding of that adhesive. So just trying to center it, and then doing the same thing with the top layer. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and take out my pearls. And I'm using this guy here to pick them up. You can use any tool that you have available to you in order to get this process done. And as I said, I'm doing 3 per center. You could do 1, or you could do, some of the larger pearls. I think the 3 smaller ones look absolutely perfect. Okay, so I'm picking it up. It got stuck a little bit. I think it bled a little bit, but that's why we have the craft sheet. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it there for a moment. I'm going to put these guys aside, and I'm going to take out my small clothespin here. I'm going to go ahead and use some Tombow on it, and I'm applying this very liberally to make sure I get as much coverage as possible. I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. And then what I did in order to go ahead and adhere all of the items together is flipped over my poinsettia and then adhere it on the reverse just like this, just to make sure that I got it placed well. And then I just picked it up and kind of squished that adhesive into the assembled poinsettia. And once you give it a few minutes to dry, it'll be good to be able to get packaged and ready as a gift. You can actually use these in multiple ways. I'll try to use one in my future projects. I'll try to create something cute that you can actually use this on, so you can kind of see how it can be used. Again, just as a reminder, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. If you don't already have a demonstrator near you, or just have one in general, please let me know. I'd be happy to send you a complimentary catalog. The new catalog came out August 4th, so if you haven't taken a look at that, please do so. It'll be available online starting August 4th, and it's good through I believe the first week of January. I have to check the date on that. But however, you have several months to purchase from the different items. There's Thanksgiving, there's Halloween, and there's Christmas. And please let me know if you need any help with your order. Thank you very much for watching today, and you guys have a great one.